In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use date range in TradingView. Whether you're analyzing trends, comparing specific time periods, or reviewing historical data, TradingView's date range feature can save you a lot of time and effort. Instead of scrolling endlessly through a chart, this tool allows you to quickly access the exact time frame you need. If you're new to TradingView, it's a powerful platform for charting and analyzing financial markets. And if you don't already have an account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Alright, let's dive into the tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to www.tradingview.com. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the top menu bar. Here you'll see several options. Click on the one labeled Products. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Chart. This will bring you to TradingView's charting interface, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the charting interface, here's how to access the date range feature. On your keyboard, press Alt+G. This is a handy shortcut that brings up what's called the date range prompt. It's a quick way to specify a precise date range without having to manually scroll through the chart. This can be a huge time saver, especially when you're working with large datasets or long historical timelines. Now, if the prompt doesn't appear right away, don't worry. It might take a moment depending on your browser's performance, so just give it a little time. Once the date range prompt pops up, you'll see fields where you can enter your desired start and end dates. For example, if you want to analyze data from August 1st to August 31st, simply type those dates into the prompt. Be precise with your input to ensure you get the exact time frame you need. After entering your dates, click on the Go To button. This confirms your selection and applies the date range to your chart. Now, take a moment to review the updated chart. You'll notice that it has adjusted to display data specific to the date range you entered. This feature is incredibly useful for focusing on a particular period, whether you're analyzing market trends, comparing performance across different time frames, or simply reviewing historical data without the hassle of scrolling. Finally, look at the timeline at the bottom of the chart. This is where you can verify that the displayed data corresponds exactly to the date range you selected. Double-checking this ensures that everything is aligned with your analysis goals, and you can proceed with confidence knowing you're working with the right data. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the date range feature in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.